if you want to change your ATM card PIN on OPay, you can do that yourself within the app without any hassle. If you want to change your card PIN, maybe for some security reasons, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So open your OPay app, navigate to cards at the bottom. Make sure you click on physical card. As we are dealing with a physical card, click on it. And now click on card settings. Right here, you have to click on manage card PIN. From here, you can now click on change card PIN. Now what you have to do is to put the new PIN you want to use. Let me say, for example, I want to change my own to 1111 and 1111. For you to confirm these changes, you have to click on confirm and make sure you perform a face verification. This will help them to know if you are actually the person that want to change the PIN. Once the face verification is done, your PIN will be changed. I don't want to do that, but this is how you do it if you want to change your ATM PIN on OPay. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.